Hello everyone. Today in this video, I'm just going to talk about, the word search game that I developed for Google Slides. So it's a full word search game that you can use. So let's get started. So where do you find this word search game add-on? You can basically go to workspace.google.com//marketplace and then type in word search game. Or I'll include it in the description below once this app is approved by Google. So let's start. So first of all, after you install it, you will be able to see an authorization, a required authorization. I'll show you what it looks like. So it's gonna look like this. So there's an authorization required like this, and then you will click continue, and then you will pick your user, and then you will see these items that will be necessary so that this slides add-on will be able to work. So these are all the authorization required for this word search game. All right, so I will just click allow. All right, so once it's done, you will be able to access it here through the menu under the extension menu item. So you can create a word search sidebar, show the word search sidebar like this. All right, or you can kind of take a look at the about this tool. All right, some description there. Or once, let's say you try this out and you love to use the full version, you can also click over to this subscription. So here you can upgrade to Pro, right? All right, so let me show you what are the things you can do. First of all, these are the word search the samples that you will see here. So you will see the words down here. So once you find the words, you can just cross them out. This is uneditable, so you can basically send this to let's say if you were a teacher, you can generate the word search puzzle and then send it to your students, and then they won't be able to move this around because this is generated and then added as a background image. All right, so they could use their desktop to kind of like mark where the item is. So let me just show you here. So they can use this to mark this. So just make this transparent. Let me just format option and make this transparent here. Wait, that's not right. Let me see here. This one is transparent. So there you go. So it's marking that. So just make another copy to go over the other ones. Let's say, where's the cat? So it's somewhere there. So let me look at the answers. So cat is on top. So it's right here. So they can just move that. I also use this in the iPad, and it's pretty easy to use. So that's how they can play with that. So once you generate this, it will generate the answers like this. So it will kind of like put a square on the first letter and then put an arrow on that, right? So that's how the tool will work. All right, so let me just show you a few more things that you can do. So once you are using this as a free version, you'll only get the grid size 7x7, right? And it's always easy, and it's always, I believe, uppercase, and you will not be able to add any border. So but you can, basically here the free accounts will process up to 2 puzzles each run, and puzzles will only use up to 5 words, and they'll all be easy uppercase in 7x7 grids. Basically all customizations are ignored. All right, so that's how it is. And if you have a pro account, all the customizations here are respected, and you can pretty much generate up to 40 slides. All right, that's how I tested more, but for now I put it at 40. All right, so so let's give it a try. So so we're on slide number 4, and then I'm just gonna use a few words here. So let's say you want to do cars, truck, maybe boats, airplane. Airplane is too long, so what else? Let's say bike, and then let me see. Since it's only 7x7, you can't really put more than the grid size, right? So let me see what else. So let me just say, let me see, ship, right? All right, so let's try that. Generate word search. So yeah, so it's gonna start generating, and then it will generate. You can close this, no problem, and then it will generate that, and then yeah, so it's done generating the puzzles. It will start generating the answers. So just wait a little bit. Yeah, so once it's done, it will convert them to uneditable slides. So, and then the process is done. So yeah, so that's basically it. And then this is the answer. It will show you. So, once you're generating, it's gonna, in a batch, it will try to batch 4 answers in one kind of slide like this. So yeah, so there's gonna be 4 answers, right? So yeah, so that's a demo of the tool. And yeah, so hopefully you'll find it useful, and yeah, and look forward to to having you use this tool. Thanks. Bye now.